Each night, we bring to you the latest number of cases and deaths from the state health department, but they're not numbers, they're people. And sadly, we've lost thousands of people in our state to this horrible virus. We are sharing the stories of families who have lost loved ones. And tonight in our Faces of COVID, WRTV's Cornelius Hawker shares the story of a healthcare worker whose dedication and love to her family is something they say knew no bounds. They miss her and her love every day.
Why do you have to comb your hair?
Whether it was little moments like this with her grandson or big moments like this. Holding the camera at her daughter's gender reveal party, Kendra Irons' family was the most important thing in her life.
If you knew her, you knew she was either talking about work or at work, or she was bragging about her girls. And like my sisters play volleyball, so she was always talking about volleyball this and volleyball that, or the grandkids this.
Angel Spencer is Kendra's oldest. Born when her mom was 16, the two, in a way, grew up together. Not only was she able to see her mom find a loving husband and having her two younger sisters, but she also got to see her mom progress in the career she loved, nursing.
She did burn, ER. Eventually, she ended up making it to house supervisor, which is like she coordinated all of the nursing, everything for the hospital.
Kendra eventually became a nurse practitioner and started working for home health, doing in-home visits. Unfortunately, that's where her family thinks she contracted the virus, despite taking all the recommended precautions in public and at work.
At work, she wore like the face shield and the whole like hazmat suit basically type of thing. So it's like, of all people that would have gotten it, it's like, you got it?
And whenever you hear people say, it's only like less than 1% of people dying from it, how does that make you feel?
It infuriates me. I actually work at a restaurant, and even just when people refuse to wear masks, like, we're gonna take it off in 5 seconds. Like, yeah, but that 5 seconds that you're walking through the restaurant could potentially save someone's life. Like, my mom was young. There was no good reason for her to pass away.
Now, at 25, Angel is helping take care of her younger sisters, splitting their time between their dads and her house. All of them trying to figure out this thing called life without their mom, taken from them because of COVID-19.
I think mainly that's just my kind of life goal, is just keep sharing her story. Like, everything that she was, I want to try to like push out to the world.
Working for you, Cornelius Hawker, WRTV.
Kendra Irons died on December 1st. She was just 41 years old. She leaves behind a husband of more than 16 years, along with 4 kids, 3 grandkids, and 2 more grandchildren arriving in February.